Hi everyone, welcome back for another vlog, and for today's video I'm going to walk you through on how to post a video using your Threads app. So if you want to know more, make sure to finish this video and follow all of the simple steps. So as you can see right now guys, I am in the homepage of Threads app, and once it loads in this page, we just only need to find the button, the third button, the edit one. So tap on that. Once you tap on that, as you can see, it will going to pop up this page wherein you could write a caption in here, so like or whatever. Then as you can see here, there's a clip button here, so you would notice this. What you need to do is to tap on that, and as you can see guys, it will gonna load you into your gallery. So just choose the video that you would like to post, so for example this one, and then click on done. Once you select the video that you would like to upload, then it will gonna give you a preview here in this thread. Once you are completed and satisfied with the video that you would like to upload, as you can see here at the bottom right corner, there's post button. So just tap on that, and as you can see guys, it will gonna be posting. So there's a pop-up here where you can see it will gonna post. Once it will gonna post, it will gonna pop up on your homepage. So since my internet is like kind of bit slow, so it's still posting, just wait for that until it gets posted guys. And that's how easy it is how to post a video on your Threads app. So I hope that you learned something new today, and I hope that you find this video useful. If you find this video useful guys, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell for you to get updated on our latest update. Thank you for watching.